In the heart of every home, the kitchen serves as a hub of creativity and nourishment, where delicious meals are crafted and shared. However, it is also a space that demands respect and caution due to the inherent risks associated with cooking and food preparation. To ensure a safe and enjoyable culinary experience, it is essential to adhere to key safety practices. This guide outlines 15 important do's and 15 critical don'ts that will help you navigate your kitchen with confidence. By following these guidelines, you can minimize hazards, prevent accidents, and create a secure environment for yourself and your loved ones while whipping up your favorite dishes. Remember to always wash your hands, keep your workspace clean, and handle sharp objects with care. Let's begin with kitchen safety do's, that is, practices you should adhere to in order to avoid accidents and food contamination. Number 1. Always wash your hands. Always wash your hands before and after handling food, especially raw ingredients, to prevent foodborne illnesses. Number 2. Use separate cutting boards. Designate different boards for raw meat, vegetables, and fruits to avoid cross-contamination. Number 3. Wear appropriate footwear. Closed-toe shoes protect your feet from sharp or heavy objects and spills. Number 4. Keep cooking surfaces clean. Regularly wipe down counters and cooking areas to reduce the risk of accidents and contamination. Number 5. Turn pot handles inward. This prevents accidental knocking or bumping of protruding handles that may result in spills and burns by keeping hot handles away from the edge of the stove. Number 6. Use oven mitts or pot holders. Always have dry mitts nearby when handling hot pots or pans to avoid burns. Number 7. Know how to extinguish a fire. Familiarize yourself with fire safety techniques such as using a fire extinguisher or baking soda for grease fires. It's wise to keep a fire blanket on hand in the kitchen. Number 8. Store knives safely. Keep knives in a block or on a magnetic strip to prevent accidents. Number 9. Use a food thermometer. Ensure meats are cooked to safe temperatures to prevent foodborne illnesses. Number 10. Keep electrical cords away from water. This helps prevent electrical shocks in the kitchen. Number 11. Be cautious with hot oil. When frying, be aware of splatters that can cause burns. Number 12. Clear up spills immediately. This reduces the risk of slips and falls in the kitchen. Number 13. Tie back long hair. Prevents hair from coming into contact with food or flames. Number 14. Read appliance manuals. Understand how to use kitchen appliances safely before operating them. In particular, read the safety instructions. Number 15. Supervise children in the kitchen. Ensure children understand the kitchen safety rules and are supervised when cooking. And now for the kitchen safety don'ts. These practices should be avoided to prevent accidents and food contamination. No matter what you do in the kitchen, don't do any of these. Number 1. Don't use the same cutting board for different foods. Avoid using one board for raw meat and other foods without proper cleaning in between. Using the same board for everything may lead to cross-contamination of foods. Number 2. Don't leave cooking unattended. Staying present while cooking helps prevent fires and burnt food. It will also ensure the safety of pets, especially inquisitive cats. Number 3. Don't go barefoot. Always wear shoes to protect your feet from potential hazards like hot spills or heavy objects falling. Number 4. Don't set hot dishes on cold surfaces. This can cause glass or ceramic dishes to shatter due to thermal shock, leading to other issues. Number 5. Don't let clutter accumulate. A messy kitchen increases the risk of accidents like tripping, cuts, or spills. Number 6. Don't handle knives carelessly. Always cut away from yourself and pick knives up by the handle only. Number 7. Don't put metal in the microwave. This can cause sparks and fires, posing serious safety risks. Number 8. Don't lick fingers or utensils while cooking. This practice can spread germs and lead to food contamination. Number 9. Don't use wet oven mitts. Wet mitts conduct heat more effectively, increasing burn risk. Wet oven mitts can also introduce easier slipping of items one is trying to hold. Number 10. Don't ignore spills on the floor. Clean them up immediately to prevent slips and falls. Number 11. Don't leave dish towels near heat sources. They can catch fire if placed too close to stoves or ovens. One may also burn oneself when grabbing them for use. Number 12. Don't store raw meats above other foods in the fridge. This prevents juices from contaminating other items by dropping down from a higher shelf. Number 13. Don't use dull knives. They are more dangerous than sharp ones as they require more force and can slip easily. Number 14. Don't forget to unplug appliances when not in use. This reduces the risk of accidental activation or electrical hazards. Number 15. Don't allow children to use sharp tools without supervision. Ensure they ask for help when handling knives or hot items. By incorporating these essential do's and don'ts into your kitchen routine, you not only enhance your safety, but also foster a more enjoyable cooking environment. Remember, a safe kitchen is a productive kitchen, where creativity can flourish without the worry of accidents. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, prioritizing safety will allow you to focus on what truly matters, creating delicious meals and making lasting memories with family and friends. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and happy cooking. Always remember to keep your kitchen clean, handle knives with care, and never leave cooking unattended.